Always read the instructions. I always sort my screws to make sure I have all of them. Okay, make sure the hole is there. These little felt things goes here. So the cot is pretty much assembled. All we need to do now is decide on whether we want to set the mattress height at the higher level or the lower level. For this demonstration, I'm going to set the cot at the higher level. Remember, the higher level is suitable from birth to around 6 months. After that, you need to lower it down to the lower level. And finish off by securing these to the base.